Hello YouTube, it's me Priyank and I'm back with another video. In my last video I showed you how you can bypass factory reset protection, and in today's video we are going to root and install custom recovery on this device, that is Samsung J1 4G. So the process is pretty simple. You just have to enable USB debugging and OEM unlock in settings. Then turn off your device and hold volume down key, lock key as well as home key simultaneously. Okay, so let's start with the process by turning off the device, and I'll hit the power off. Now once the device is turned off, you have to hit the power key and the volume down key as well as the home key, all three keys simultaneously. And once you see this screen, just hit the volume up key to confirm. This allows us to flash custom recoveries and ROMs on our device. You can also flash stock ROM, and make sure you are on official system status. Now just connect the phone via USB to your computer. Now we need to download two things. The first one is the ODIN software that allows us to flash stock ROM and various other files on Samsung mobile devices. So this is the ODIN, and the second file is basically the auto root file and the twrp custom recovery. So I'll just download both the files. All the download links are in the description. You can visit the links which are present inside the description and download the required files. Now I'll extract ODIN inside a folder on my desktop. I'll also extract the twrp and auto root file inside the same folder. Now you need to make sure that you have an official USB cable, otherwise you will get an error and ODIN won't detect your device. Now inside ODIN you can just run this as admin and you will see these files over here. Now select AP and just select the file that you have downloaded. So there are two files. One is the auto root file without custom recovery and the second one is with custom recovery. So I'll select the custom recovery and click on start. If your device is not yet detected, then please make sure you are using official USB cable, and as you can see there is a COM3 device detected, and I'll just click on start and start flashing. Once the flashing is complete, it will automatically reboot your phone and your device will be rooted with custom recovery installed. So that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends.